Hello everyone. Pathwise helps you to go from I want this role to I am interview ready with a multi-agent simulator, ground prep, content, and a learning workspace. Currently, I have logged in with my account, so you can see my account, privacy, payments, and setting where we have normal display settings. We do have two main functionalities. One of them is career simulator, where we can upload our resume and pick a target role that we want to achieve. We can also manually uh, paste the job description from the LinkedIn or Indeed anywhere, or we can pick a target role. If we are not sure about what kind of target role we want to achieve, we can answer to this 10 behavior questions and it will match against the own data set and pick the one suitable for us. So currently, if I will just try a sample, we can upload a resume and paste the job description and can also proceed further. Now the agent task will start. Our planner, retrieval, interviewer agent, scoring agent will act simultaneously to generate the best result for us. So there are few questions that we have to answer so that agent gets a better understanding of where we stand right now and what we are trying to achieve. So I will just copy paste quickly the answers here, and let's see the scorer. Okay, so the scorer on the first answer gave us 40 out of 100 score, and similarly we have second question related to Kafka. So I will quickly go and write an answer about Kafka here, and similarly the same process happened: interviewer, scorer, remediation, and the retrieval. Finally, I will again answer a third question. We have altogether of 7 questions here, and scorer gave the highest score to this one. It was 80, and so like it shows that it is working correctly. A user have much better knowledge of embedding than the Kafka, so it scored better for the embedding section rather than the Kafka section. Now again in this section, user don't have much experience, so the scorer gave 20 score only. We can also skip the question if we are not sure of the answer. Still, the agent will process it and generate the result for us. So I'll just go and skip the rest of the questions to speed up the process. And here here is what our results look like. We do have skill gap analysis section. Here we have gaps to close. If I select on this one, then it will automatically redirect to the learn page where we can start generating lessons and learning any topic. We do have a roadmap from going to the junior to the senior position, and what are the skill that we require to achieve, what are the responsibilities and the milestones. We do have 30, 60, and 90 days plans as well. These are few of the projects that we should build to get better on the target role and achieve the role we are planning for. These are the few resources and the interview preparation guide as well. So I will quickly go and select one of the topic, let's say Kafka, and it will redirect us to the learn page where we can select the experience section from beginner to advanced. We can select the framework or tool that we have to work on, and since we are learning the Kafka topic here, we already have the Kafka, the definitive guide. I'll just go and click on the apply button, and this chatbot works two ways. We can upload any PDF and we can start learning based on that PDF as well, or we can just simply give the topic and understand any topic as well. So let's suppose we have any complex PDF of a technical section and we are not sure about like what's the topic we have to learn from there, so we can simply upload and generate the diagnosis, quiz, flashcards from there. So this is the learning section, learning topics that it was generated for the Kafka. And you can see we can also have the we do also have the flashcards, and we also can take a quiz on the section. We can take the diagnostic test, and it will show us the weaker area that we have to improve. We can also generate a workflow diagram which shows us the step by step what to learn and how to learn on a sprint wise category. So these are the learning section, how we can generate the lessons and how we can learn, and these are all grounded with the retrieval and citation from the knowledge base that we have. As we saw when we were fetching the answers as well, there were citations from these documents. You can see on the retrieval here, it is referring from all the documents that are needed for this section. Finally, we do have dashboard. Recently I have logged in with my new email ID, so most of the section are empty, but if we simply go and log out it, then this is how it will look like once we start working and learning in this platform. We do have our learning timeline. We do have recommendations, what to learn further and how to achieve our goals, what are the achievement we did, our streak, our first step, and the activities recently we have done, and finally the overviews. So this is the whole Pathwise project. I have added the GitHub link, architecture diagram, live demo video, so feel free to explore with the platform and let me know how it goes. Thank you so much.